So we're on our way to Barrie to go pick up a Vic-20. This is what I call the Vic trip. So we should be there in about 10 minutes. And if it's not an authentic Vic, well, Vic can stay there. And Vic can go home with somebody else. If it's a real Vic, it's coming home with us. Vic trip turned out to be quite exciting. We actually bought the Vic-20 at a place called Video Time in Barrie, Ontario. That would be in Canada, for those of you that don't know. And then we took another drive out, further out, to, I believe it's Innisfil. And it's called the 400 Market. I was looking around and I spotted a Vic-20 and I lost my freaking mind. Now we're gonna come home with 2 Vic-20s. It's a good day. Lots of money spent. Some bills might not be paid, but it is what it is. It was fun, right? It's a Vic-20, 2 of them. Now here they are back at home. This is the first one I bought. And there's a second one that came with the box. I know. 2 Vic-20s. Thanks for watching.